Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you AR Foundation setup. Okay, so this is the part 2. And then last episode, we talked about iOS setup. And now we are going to dive into Unity and talk about the AR session. Before talking about that, I want to share with you our new promotion. Right now, we have $25 per month, all access from mid-April to June. And after the soft launch, it will be $45 per month. It has all access to all extra courses such as AR Foundation, Unity 101, and Gamification 101. And once you become our members, you can definitely have private Slack community and we will support you. And then we also are updating our content frequently. So if you are interested in joining the free access private XReality Academy Slack group, feel free to scan the QR code and let's dive in. Okay, so today our learning goal is to create a 3D project in Unity. And then we start adjusting the AR Foundation settings. Then we start adjusting some plugins and then adjusting some parameters, and we will have the AR 3D plane shows up alien. So if you are interested, feel free to go to the AR Foundation documentary page in Unity. And also, I create a very detailed walkthrough for all the setup, and it will be available in our membership. Okay, so if you click the Unity documentary, you can see there are a lot of documentations regarding to AR Foundation. So if you use Android, you need to add AR Core XR plugin, which on AR Foundation course, Lucas was using Android to build. So if you are our members, you can definitely learn the AR Core. And now I'm going to share with you the AR Kit for iOS. So you can have both if you have different device or you have either one. Also, there are different plugins such as for HoloLens and for Magic Leap. Yeah, so AR Foundation has a lot of functions such as device tracking. It will kind of track the device position and orientation in physical space, and also plan, point cloud, anchors, 2D, 3D, and also hit detection. So it has a lot of things to discover. And right now we are touching the very basic function, which is plane detection. So if you open ARKit XR plugin, you can see AR session, AR origin session, and AR session. Those two are the basic things that you need to add, and also camera, AR camera. In order to add AR camera, you need to delete the original camera. So it has different functions. And today we are going to introduce the planes, XR planes detection. So if you take a look, you can adjust some code through all the kind of API. Okay, so you can take a look of build settings. So yeah, we will have a walkthrough, go through all the plugin stuff. And yeah, so it has a lot of, for example, like things that you have to adjust. Okay, so you can totally walk through and see how, yeah, and you can learn more. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, this is just I set up a demo. Now I delete it so I can start over. Okay, let me create one. 1.2. AR setup and yeah, I probably need to do this. And then I go to the empty one and then I create another one. Okay, so let's take a look at the demo. Yeah, clean up the console. Okay, so first, we need to delete the camera. Second, we need to add AR session origin and AR session. So those two are the essential for AR foundation. So when you click this, you can see AR camera. AR camera has a lot of features, such as it can kind of like do a lot of different functions. So definitely delete the original camera and replace with AR session origin, which has the AR camera under it. So inside it has all those different functions, which we will introduce you later. Okay, so AR session origin, and then you need to add AR plane manager. This one is the one that will do the plane detection. Okay, instead of everything, click nothing and click horizontal. We only want to detect the horizontal plane, not the vertical one. So yeah, we just select nothing first and select horizontal. And as for plane prefab, you have some different options. For example, you can right click and go to XR. You will see AR default plane. AR default plane has all the functions you need. If you really want to change the graphics or the visual, you can change the mesh renderer. This one, if you double click, is the yellowish, not so good looking of the plane detection. So in order to make the final looks a little nicer, I created another one. It's called AR feather plane. So this one is pretty much I look up online and mess things around and come up with this one. This one definitely has much better. If you see the textures that I create, you click this. Yeah, this one is this one. So what I want is that when I see a lot of tutorials, I really like when first time scanning the floor, you can see like the